Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, May 7th, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday. So here's a fun fact. A quirky fact to share with your class. The chicken is the closest living relative to the ferocious Tyrannosaurus Rex. I guess this could make them cousins. I'm not really sure how that works, but interesting fact for today. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having sausage pancake on a stick. For lunch, turkey deli sub. On Monday, breakfast will be yogurt cinnamon roll minis, and lunch will be corn dog. We have no birthdays today at school for any of our students, but tomorrow, Miss Linscomb, our principal, will be celebrating her birthday. So I hope as you see her today that you wish Miss Linscomb a very happy early birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Linscomb. We have no announcements for today, and just a reminder to Miss Moore that she has after duty, late duty today. Important dates. We are working on finishing up our Ready diagnostic, the end of the year diagnostic. We have made our way through the computer lab, and I know that we still have some classes that have quite a few that need to finish, and that's okay. We will have some computer lab time available today, and also I'll be pulling students in small groups that need to come finish. We will also be finishing our Teacher Appreciation Week, which has been amazing. So thank you to students and parents and our admin team that have made it great. On Monday, May 10th, we'll have a faculty meeting after school. May 25th will be our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th will also be our end of the year celebrations. May 26th will be the last day for students, which will be half a day, and May 28th will be the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.